Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Motorola Moto G9 Play 2020 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. Next, apply heat on the camera lens and fingerprint reader. Next, to remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, release adhesive strips on the frame. Next, apply heat to the fingerprint button and gently lift the button. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Next, lift the adhesive and disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and release tapes on the cover. Next, undo 7 screws and take out the speaker cover. Next, disconnect the main flex plug and antenna head from the charging port board. Next, take out the not working charging port board by applying heat. Next, place the new charging port board on the frame. Next, secure the main flex and antenna head to the charging port board. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, place the adhesive strips on the cover. Next, secure the battery plug and place the adhesive. Next, secure the fingerprint button. Next, place and secure the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, place the adhesive strips on the frame. Finally, snap in the back cover and then run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.